Hey everybody, it's Scott Smith from Southern California. Look what just snuck in on us. Carbon ceramic brakes on a new 2015 M4 Coupe. Just want to shoot you here. I don't know when we'll get another one of these with these brakes that are over $8,000. So definitely a nice touch. What a nice color too. Any BMW owner is going to know exactly what these are. So it's the Yas Marina blue metallic. One of the exclusive colors for the new M4s. This one's got the lighting package, so you got the full adaptive LED lights. Color's been growing on me since I've seen a few. You guys know I like these mirrors too. It's one of a kind design for the M4s. Blinkers all along here. Let's turn those on. Get some hazards going here for us. See some lights. Sorry, I know it's late in the day. Lighting's not the best, but hey, someone's coming to pick it up here in just a little bit, so wanted to get it to you guys first before it starts hitting the road, killing bugs, burning gas. Yep, and it's idling. Got your carbon fiber roof. You guys know this is the S55 twin power turbo technology engine. 425 horsepower, 406 torque. Open the hood, you pull it twice. There's no latch that you have to reach under, get your fingers dirty anymore. Here's your signature carbon fiber, extra rigidity. Beautiful engine. They got this 0 to 60, 3.9 seconds. Not too bad for factory. Definitely like the black wheels. Some of these colors really does a nice job, especially letting the ceramic kind of glow underneath the black wheel. There's that turn signal for you. Let's get inside real quick. Got those signature badges there on the seats. Those glow at night, so pretty cool when you unlock the car. You got the power button here to bring the seat forward and back. It's a nice hard material, kind of race seat wise. Gives you a little extra edge. Really nice leather in here too, I can tell you. Air conditioning in the back. 2+2 seating. Traditional to the coupe. There's the dash for you. You can see only 9 miles. Signature shifters. Nice big nav screen. Let's see if I can get this thing. Doesn't look like he wants to focus too well, does he? There we go. Dual air conditioning standard. Double clutch transmission, definitely very popular out here in Southern California. Good old carbon fiber trim. I think the only way to order them, I've seen them with wood trim. It's a nice luxury touch, but not for an M4. Touchpad controller. Got the black headliner. Here you go, looking over my right shoulder. You can see there's not really too much of a blind spot. Ah, here's the sticker. Let's see if I can get this bad boy to focus. Show you some info. There you go. Base price going down. There's the color, Yas Marina. Lighting package. There's your good old carbon ceramic brakes. 8100. 19-inch wheels. Harman Kardon enhanced Bluetooth. 85 grand. Gas mileage for you. Who cares? Let's just drive. All right, let me step outside, give you another shot. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm shooting it with my new Galaxy Note 4, so thanks for watching. Send it to your friends. Talk to you guys later. Have a good one.